roundabout,
Right, guys.
take the first exit.
We're off to a new pizza. We've never tried this one before, but I've heard good things because, yeah, it's on the Showground. It's in Witney. We can go in at 10:30. So it was a late start, but nice, relaxing start. We're on the way. I'm going to put my GoPro on when I get there because we had to get some change from the shops on the way, which we did. And now we're off. Yesterday they turned sellers away because they were full. See what happens today.
Take the second exit.
So once you give him the money,
£2 now.
I've got
Yes,
two
to
of
us.
them. Okay, go on then.
Thank you, mate. Thank you very much. We sell for £245. Pardon?
How much is your horsey?
£2 for the horse.
Yeah, I'll take it. Can I just have a look at your other stuff? How much are your dinosaur bits?
So they all vary. The big ones are £10 each. These ones here are £3 each.
20. Would you do a deal on the lot if I took the lot?
On a lot, yeah.
So
So
that's 10, 20.
What about that one? These ones?
everything in that box is £1.
So that's 26 plus 2.
28. So
Will you do 25 for the lot?
So yeah, 25 for the lot.
Oh, Jesus.
That's good timing. Probably regret buying these. I'll keep up down.
Fiver, yeah.
We've got other stuff up here. How much is your plain dragon stuff?
Also, again, it varies. So these are sort of like £3 each. And the dragons.
So I owe you 25.
Yeah.
Getting soaked here. That's 25.
Thank you. The little figures, I'm going to do them at 50p each.
Can I have a look at the slug or whatever it is at the
Oh,
back?
it's
Flowering.
SpongeBob. He's £1.
I don't know if they got it. I know they collect.
Yeah, and then
So how much are the bits again? Sorry, I'm getting absolutely drenched here.
so the dragons are £3 each.
Yeah.
The figures are 50p each. I don't know. I mean, I can chuck those in if you want to do a deal.
I would do a deal. What would you take for the lot?
Also, I thought I think £3 in case I owe you £7.
Maz, sorry.
Oh, 2 seconds.
No worries, sorry.
36. Oh no, that's not. 36.
Maz, how much for ukulele?
£10 for ukulele.
Sorry, how much on the pottery?
Oh, so it depends on.
This one, and this one.
So these ones in for £3 each. That was £1. So it's 7 for the lot.
Try not to lose my bag at the same time. How much would you do for the lot?
Okay, let me work
3,
this
6,
out.
9, 10, 11, 12, 15, and then you've got the Playmobil bits.
So 15, and then so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 for the lot. So I don't know.
Do 15?
15? Yeah, I'll do that, yeah.
I'm going to put it in my bag so I'm not stood in the rain.
No, that's fine.
Would you possibly? Mine? Would you mind?
No,
of course
we'll pop it in
not,
the
no.
boot and then.
You know me, I'm
We
wearing
know you, yeah.
I'm wearing black and I'm the weirdo. It's like toys, right? Takes all these bits, isn't
Yeah,
it?
no, yeah.
It wasn't expecting it to rain like this.
No.
Pay up to that. That's a good time. I'm clearing you out.
That's alright.
Right,
I don't mind.
Right, 15. If I pass the bag over.
Yeah, I'll put it in the.
Put it in the boot.
Thank you. Right. Oh. My mum could be like, where's your bag gone? I'll be like, I left it with someone.
£1 for that.
That's 15.
Oh, lovely, thank you.
Thank you. Well, I won't be long.
No.
This is not what I expected.
Yeah. I was selling it.
Oh,
I was
thank
using
you.
that.
I won't be long, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
It's missed like half.
I haven't dug them out of the dad's place yet.
Alright.
How did you get it on there?
God.
Oh, I'm panicking.
You've got the right idea, poncho. How much is your doll's wardrobe?
Town?
Let's have a look at it. Is that alright? I'm absolutely drenched already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that. God.
Stopping.
Hopefully. Wasn't expecting that to happen this morning.
I don't think anyone was.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, thanks.
Because I go home.
Oh yeah. Sorry, yeah.
Not very nice.
She hardly used it. She got treadmill instead. And she's not using that. The Reebok one.
I'll just walk up and down and track them down.
Sorry, can I just have that one? Thank you. Oh yeah, just at the door. Oh, have you? Bless you.
I think everyone is.
Oh we know. Well, it'll dry, jewellery will, but that's all good as toys.
Yeah. Have a little nose.
Yeah, you can have a little nose up yourself. Yeah, do that size of
If they were here, they would buy everything. That's the. At a car, I've left it. I got quite a bit of stuff.
I mean, it wasn't raining when I left. Oh, no, so you can't trust it. No.
What you managed to? So I got some Jurassic World dinosaurs, the big ones. Quite a few of them. Two big ones and a set of little ones. Playing real How to Train Your Dragon bits. All on and a frozen horse.
I've got a Playmobil farm. I haven't got no animal.
Not a Playmobil farm. Happy lad.
Farm, the Peppa Pig aeroplane.
You can take that from me then.
Yeah, my jeans are sticking to me.
I'm going to do the last row and then I might just go and collect my stuff. I've got a video.
Yeah.
I know.
Can I have a look at your dolly's rucksack in a boot?
Please do, yeah.
Do you mind me? I always ask, I don't just go. How much are your bits?
Probably £1 for all that.
£1 for all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's easy enough. Can I come in and see what you got around the front? You haven't got a carry bag? Or a bag? Sorry. As long as some bits are fitting, I can do the rucksack up. So if that goal goes in. And I'll do the rucksack up. So that's £1 for that. Right. Hold that. No, I bought stuff somewhere else and they were like, oh, I'll look after your bag because it was full already. And I was getting absolutely drenched at the time. Thank you. That was good timing. Thank you. Oh, it scared me. Sleepy doggy. You're very well behaved.
Hello.
Hello. Your plants are growing today. Hiya.
You're right.
Yeah.
You got some stuff already?
I've got a bag to collect as well.
Have you?
I've got some Jurassic World dinosaurs, the big
Oh
chunky.
yeah. Oh wow. Oh.
I got a quite good deal on some Playmobil bits, so I got all this for £1, like full of clothes.
Oh wow.
Generation clothes, so
Yeah.
it's a hit and miss, but this weather's not helping.
Yeah. No.
Did you come yesterday?
Pardon?
Did you come here yesterday?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
It was busy yesterday, apparently.
Yeah.
They turned people away.
Well, I don't know about that.
So that's what they were saying on their social media. But
Yeah.
it's hit and miss. Did you go to Abingdon or
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
was that busy?
It wasn't very busy, but I actually bought more there today than I did yesterday. So I think that's because there was less buyers as well. So.
Yeah, it's hit and miss with beach sales at the moment.
Yeah.
Got anything good today?
No, one jacket, that's it.
I think it's the rain.
Yeah.
At least you can put it on if it's your size.
If you want to go back, go back.
Yeah, cool.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Go on then.
Hi, back to collect the dinosaurs.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to go home now. I was getting absolutely drenched. Thank you for looking after that.
No worries.
Thank you. Hope you have a good day. Hope the rain doesn't come back. I'm going to paint someone lined up with a tail.
Have you got a Facebook page? I have, yeah. Where do you live?
I've got 2 in here and it's heavy. This is the Jurassic World stuff. It's a whole bag.
Have we got to go back and get more?
No, this is the whole bag. Before we go, I want to show you this. So,
Where are you?
I don't know yet, just look at that.
I can't. I've got a cup of hot coffee in my hand.
So that bag,
In the bag. Yeah.
that dough and that, what do you reckon I paid?
About 30 quid.
£4 for everything.
Pound.
So I saw her putting stuff back in the car because it was raining. I saw that and I said, can I have a look at rain? And she said, rummage in my boot, what you like? So I just grabbed it, thinking she was going to try to realise.
Baby born doll.
I don't know what the doll is, but it's got an Our Generation top on.
Alright, whatever.
Toys R Us, Jeffrey. I was thinking Toys R Us hasn't exist,
Yeah.
but this is full.
Right, we'll put that somewhere where it's going to keep the rain. It's got one or half on it.
Yeah, but £4 for item.
Well, I haven't spent 3 quid.
The most I spent is on... Hi guys, and welcome back to another video for you. This video is from the Witney Bank Holiday Monday Club boot sale. My opinion on this boot sale is it's advertised on the Showground. The field was probably about the same size of fraction, maybe smaller, because the next bit of the field had sheep in, so I'm not sure why it's advertised as a Showground. It's probably part of the Showground, but it's definitely not a Showground field from my aspect of what I assumed to be a Showground. Anyway, we got there, and I think they let us only like 15 minutes early because of the threat of rain. The coolest thing I saw there was that wax ET for 290 quid. He was epic, but yeah, it was really cool to see that it was like a wax kind of thing, handmade, pretty cool. Anyway, so we got in, I went down the first 2 rows and then saw it caught my eye, but I'm just going to do it in the order on the table. So I'm going to do one of probably my best buys there. So this was my last buy and it cost me £1 for everything I'm about to show you. Absolutely everything. And we spent £49.50. Yeah, roughly £49.50 here. But if we did it again, we would probably go to Abingdon first and then on to Witney, because you drive past Abingdon to get to Witney. More of the story. So I picked up this doll just because it had an Our Generation pyjama top and jacket. This doll this rucksack with all this Our Generation clothes inside. Like, this is a full bag. It has dogs, clothes, but this was a lady who let me go in her boot, and I did ask to see it. I'm thinking she would get it out with me, but she said I could go in her boot. Just making clear, I don't ever do that. She let me, I did. If you get that offer, take it with all your heart. But she offered for me to go in the boot. I said, can I have a look at the rucksack? And she said to have a rummage. You see it in the video. I would never ever just rummage in a boot. I always ask to look at something, hoping they'll pass it out to me. But she let me rummage. Just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. I do not just go in people's boot. And Jeffrey the giraffe, I got all those items for £1. He's my favourite buy. He is so cute and so cool and unique. it just brings me back to my childhood. Who has loved Toys R Us and misses it? I don't know where to put you because I want to keep you out. Because you're cool. Bit damp because it was a wet day, but yeah. Mum paid 50p for a Peppa Pig plain. Can't go wrong for 50p. And she paid £2 for a Happy Land Farm. No animals, but the sound works. And it has the cockerel wind thing. For £2, we got plenty of animals. And it's very clean. It's not even dusty. A couple of little dust marks there. We can put animals with that, and we can get between 25 and 40 for that. Right. Second from last is this Annabelle wardrobe. Don't see much anymore Annabelle, but I paid £1. Did see it to Annabelle on Sunday. It was a doll walker and some clothes for 45 quid. That's eBay prices, mate, and I just can't do it. And it's like, seriously, just don't. If you've got Annabelle stuff and you want to get rid of it quick, don't overprice it. Don't say it's going for this much on eBay, I'll do it for this. And I'm like, it's not worth that. Like, you've got to look at the solds. So, the next one I'm going to show you is a bundle of Playmobil bits. So it's mostly How to Train Your Dragon. I'm still trying to get his wing back on. Got to go on that way. I hear the click, but then it doesn't ever stay in. I don't go what's going on with this one. It was definitely in when I bought it, I know that. Maybe they're the wrong way. I don't know. My plaster's just scrunched up, that's the wrong. I've had to take my plaster off, that's sore. See, that wing won't go in that way. So that one definitely goes on that side. I tried to keep the wings on when I can't get that one back in. See, that's gone back in. Maybe it needs to go sideways. I don't know, but it makes all the point. I'll get Mum to look at that, but I got that. It's toothless. Got whatever this is, and it does something apparently. God ask me what. Got this one. I don't know if this part is How to Train Your Dragon or if it's part of something else. It's my plaster. So a Playmobil normal horse. This little bundle cost me 15 and it should have been about 32 because she wanted 3 quid for the big dinosaur dragon. Where's your wing gone? Get back in there. Yeah, I think I've got that one back to front. There we go. But then it just annoy me. What is it about these wings? I think that's Stormfly. But that could be someone different, I don't know. No, this is light flowery. This one's from How to Train Your Dragon, but I don't know who he is. It's really short on my finger. This one's just a normal Playmobil dinosaur, but he can go in a bundle because we've got so much Playmobil to sort. Then these people, I'm not sure if they're How to Train Your Dragon people. That was 50p. He was 50p. So these are all 50p. It's 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 3, 6, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 50. It should have been about 22, 21, I don't know. These are meant to be 50p each. I've got the whole Playmobil bundle for 15. I can say 20 then. Brain's not working. So I don't think that's too bad. I don't know if any of these are Train Your Dragon people, or he could be. He could be. I don't need to look them up. So if it is part of the How to Train Your Dragon series, I will put that together as a little bundle. But yeah, that was one of the buys of. And my last bundle that I did. Let's move this forward. So the reason I went to the store is I saw this on the store and so I snuck through. This is the Elsa Water Spirit Horse. We got about 15 quid for this one last time we had it. Not sure what we'll get this time. So originally she was 2. These 2 big ones were £10 each originally. We got the whale and we got this big thing. He's absolutely ginormous. So that should have been 22. And these were 3 quid each. Did I leave one behind? I thought there were 4 small ones. Maybe there were 3 small ones. 9. I got it for 25. I thought there was small. Maybe I dropped one somewhere. I don't know. I thought there was a small one. But yeah. Got these all for 25. Not sure what these 2 are going for. But yeah, I did alright there. Don't know if there's a small one. I might go and check the boot for in case there's another small one. So yeah, should get a decent amount of money back. It wasn't a bad day. Very disappointed on what they were saying the night before they had a full field apparently Sunday. Don't really know if that's exactly true, but hey ho, we got some bits. We're not desperate for stock. It was nice. We got some different stuff we've never sold before, so it was worth going. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye.